Who is Anshul? Personal details. Born on the 6th of December 2000 in Karnal, Haryana, India. He is 1.89 meters tall. Roller right arm, medium fast bowler and handy. Right-handed lower order. Battara. True bowling all-round. Domestic and IPL career Ranji Trophy debut. The 17th of February 2022 for her remarkable feat. Became the third bowler in Ranji history to take all 10 wickets in an innings, with figures of 1049s against Kerala in November 2024, played prominent roles in Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy, Vijay Hazare Trophy, India Tours, IPL journey, bought by Mumbai Indians in 2024, then acquired by Chennai Super Kings in the 2025 auction. International breakthrough. India, a tour in England. Impressed with strong performances, including wickets and some useful lower order runs. Bet 365 News Test debut. Earned his first cap on 23 July 2025 during the fourth test versus England at Old Trafford. He became India's 318th test player. Praise and comparisons. R.A. Ashwin compared him to pace maestros Zahir Khan and Jasprit Bumrah, especially highlighting his adherence to bowling plans. Ravi Shastri's analysis noted Kamboj's ability to bowl long spells and use heavy balls effectively key for English conditions. Pradeep Sundaram, former Ranji star, commended his rare 10-wicket feat and timely opportunity in tests. Stats snapshot first class, 22 matches, 74 wickets out of egg, 22.66. Top bowler figure, 1049th list, 25 matches, 40 wickets at 20.0 OT, 2024 matches, 28 wickets at 19.85. Quick facts, detail info, birth date, the 6th of December, 2000, bowling style, medium fast test debut, the 23rd of July, 2025 versus Ang teams, Haryana, India CSK, India. Anshul Kamboj has firmly planted himself as a rising star in Indian cricket, combining domestic brilliance with a promising test debut and early comparisons to legendary bowlers.